You know what? I made this recording to talk about my upstairs neighbor. I am so sick and tired of my neighbor constantly allowing his bathroom to flood, which causes me to become a participant in his dismay. I have my own problems. I don't need a compilation of his problems and mine. It's no fun cleaning up what I hope to be dirt water from the dust in the ceiling and nothing else that might cause me to faint from nausea. I don't even want to think about it. He needs to get it together, okay? Whatever it is that consistently causes him to flood my bathroom, he needs to get that together. I am so tired of this man who may be some type of crackhead or something. They never go to sleep up at night up there. They always keeping me up at night until morning. He has wild sex that causes his headboard to clash against my wall, keeping me awake all hours of the night. I had to cover my baby's ears one night. That's just terrible. I left a note on his screen door with the days and times that I heard him get his things on. You know what I'm saying? Get his little nightly passion on. Trying to convince him that he is indeed unbearable. Enough is enough. I have been rained on, I hope, from just dirt water. Offended, deprived from beauty rest. I have had enough. Damn.